Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips. Cinnamon, ginger and garlic weight loss recipe. You will lose easily 10 pounds in just 4 weeks. If you're looking to blast body fat and boost your metabolism, you may want to consider making cinnamon and ginger a part of your daily diet. The warming spices not only add flavor and aroma to foods, but they've also been scientifically proven to aid in weight loss. Today, King Green Tip will show you how to make this recipe. Ingredients you need to prepare for this recipe. The first is 3 raw garlic cloves. Monday is a branch of ginger. The third is some cinnamon branches. The fourth is a lemon. Thursday is a glass of water. Here are 5 ingredients you need to prepare for this recipe. Proceed as follows. First, garlic peels and slices into small pieces. Garlic forms an indispensable part of the kitchens. After all, it helps add that extra flavor to any dish. Moreover, it is known for being a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to weight loss. Garlic has shown to boost immunity, relax blood vessels for smooth blood flow and reduce blood pressure, quell inflammation, and helps protect blood vessels from damaging, further lowering the risk of heart disease. This staple ingredient comes loaded with vitamin B6 and C, fiber, manganese, calcium, et al., all of which play a major role in weight management. Let's look at the role of garlic in weight loss and learn how to use it to lose weight and burn belly fat. Garlic is responsible for boosting energy levels that burn all the calories, keeping you fitter. It is known to boost your metabolism, further helping you lose weight efficiently. Garlic is a known appetite suppressant. It helps keep you fuller for longer, further preventing you from overeating. So, including garlic in your diet will only help keep your digestive system in check. Next, ginger. You also clean the shell and bring small stamping. Before peeling, remember to wash ginger. Ginger aids in burning fat, lowering cholesterol and blood pressure, digesting carbohydrates and secreting insulin. If that wasn't enough good news already, the pungent plant also works as an anti-inflammatory. Ginger contains an active phenolic compound known as gingerol. According to a study, gingerol helps to reduce weight, improves lipid profile, and reduces glucose and insulin levels. Ginger also has antioxidant properties. Consuming ginger can help nullify the toxic buildup. You prepare 1 pot, pour the cup of prepared water into the pot. Next, pour the garlic and ginger bowls into the pot, followed by several cinnamon branches. Cover and heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you turn off the stove and pour the water into the pot into the cup. Finally, cut the lemon in half and squeeze half a lemon into a glass of water. Remember to remove the seeds. And we stir the ingredients with a spoon, which can be used. Lemon. This superfood helps aid in the minimization of weight gain. Lemons also have the effect of making you feel fuller for a longer time. When you are able to have this feeling for a longer time, your cravings will start to diminish. Your metabolic rate will also start to increase significantly as well when you consistently have lemon in your diet. Cinnamon. His spice helps with your waistline. It helps regulate your blood sugar while at the same time helping curb your cravings for certain foods. Cinnamon can also help lower your LDL cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol. Something that is unique about cinnamon is that it acts similar to insulin in your body. This is connected with the way sugar is broken down in your body. Like lemons, cinnamon also helps boost your metabolism, which helps with weight loss. More specifically, cinnamon seems to target the abdominal fat on your body more than other areas. Take to drink this cup every day and eat with a positive mode of exercise to bring you a good health and quickly get a slim waist. Thank you for watching the video. If you find your video useful, like it and share it with friends. Don't forget to press subscribe channel and notification bell to update your weight loss tips every day.